Hello parents, my name is Lori Andrade and I'm the audio-video production teacher at Cypress Woods High School. I'm also the teacher for web technologies and digital audio technology. I'm really excited to show you my classroom and everything that we do in our classes. As you can see in my classroom, we have a lot of updated computers that the students can use. We even have a studio where students are allowed to go and explore different filming techniques, such as green screen or what we call white cyc or black infinity. This is the area that students are learning how to film in a studio type setting. Also notice that for my digital audio technology course, we have a soundboard. Students can get a realistic idea of what would be in a recording studio. This is my 23rd year teaching and it's my 12th year at Cypress Woods High School. I've loved every single minute of being a Wildcat. I have an MBA from Baker University and I also have a degree in accounting and human resource. It wasn't until after I got those degrees that I decided that I wanted to take my expertise and bring it back to the students. Over the years, I've become a multimedia teacher and that's the type of courses I teach now. I hope your students have a great year with me, and if you ever have any questions, feel free to contact me via email or in the messages for Schoology. Thank you and have a great night. C-Dub.